Welcome to today's episode. ముందుగా తెలుగు వాళ్ళందరికీ నా నమస్కారం. అదే కదండి మన సంస్కారం. Today I am going to prepare dal rice. Come on, let's get started.
Boiled rice, 1 cup boiled tur dal, turmeric powder, ginger garlic paste, curry leaves, coriander, ghee, salt and sambar powder. Take a frying pan, add oil in it. Once oil get heated, add mustard seeds, add cumin seeds, add white ura dal, add chana dal, dry red chilies and stir it once. Add ginger garlic paste and combine well. Add turmeric powder. Add curry leaves. Add green chilies and stir it once. Now add 1 cup of boiled tur dal. Combine well. Add ghee, add salt, add sambar powder and mix it once. Now add boiled rice. Now mix it well properly. Cover with lid and cook it on low flame for 2 minutes. Now add chopped coriander. Combine well. Now transfer into a serving plate. Now I am transferring this dal rice into a serving bowl. To enhance the flavors, add some ghee on the top of the dal rice.
Thanks for watching today's episode.